Hey guys, it's Chemica. Welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do knotless braids. It took me forever to learn, but I finally learned, so here we go. First, you're going to section off the hair into 3 parts, and you're going to start a braid, a regular braid. I made a video on how to braid on my channel already. I'll put it in the description. Once you start off the braid one time, you're then going to add in a smaller piece than the actual braid itself. So if the section you took, when you part that section into 3 pieces, make sure that the braiding hair that you're adding in is smaller than each of the 3 sections. So now I'm adding in a picture just for a bit more descriptive look. So when you're adding in the extension pieces, you're adding in the hair, and it's going to rest. One part is going to rest on the top of your middle finger, and the next part will be resting in the middle of your index and your middle finger, and you're going to just start braiding from there. Once you get down to like the middle of the braid, and you'll be adding in a bit more bigger sizes of the hair, your hand will then change format, so you will be braiding faster. When you do that, you'll be adding in hair in between your index finger and your thumb. So part of the hair will be at the top of your index finger, and then the other strand of hair will be between your index finger and your thumb. And then you start braiding down from there as well. It's all because when you're braiding, at times you change the format of your hand. Just like at the beginning, the placement of your hand would be a certain way so that the braid will be tighter at the top, and then while you're coming down, the braid is already tight, so you change format, and that is just a way so that you can start braiding faster. You're going to notice when you're braiding, but this is the best way I can explain it, and I really hope this helps. If you're wondering how many pieces I've added into the hair, I was going to start off with just 4 pieces, but then I realized that the braid wasn't as thick as I wanted it to be, being that the parting was small in the first place. So I added in about like 5 pieces. Some braids had 6 pieces. Some of them probably had 7 pieces, because at the end of it, I was trying to make it a little bit longer. When I realized that, this is kind of fun, I want to keep doing this, whatever. So I try to make it a little bit longer so that it will match each length. And some of them had a bit more. I got these. I separated it. This is the last of the pack. It's just the one pack that I had. And the whole head is not done in knotless braids. Like the last row is box braids that was tucked for another video, and then this one is going to be knotless braids all the way up to the top, and then I'm going to try and do some cornrows, and I just might make a how to cornrow video, because I feel like cornrows are essential. They're essential. turns out this is T30 and this is T27. I did not buy two of the same hair, so I am going to be doing half and half. This half T30 and then this half will be T27.
Think you know Scotland?
So here you go, a closer look as to what I was saying in the beginning of the video. In between your pointing and your middle finger, you're going to rest one part of the extensions and braid. Just a regular braid and keep on going. If you don't know how to braid, I believe that it is best to know how to braid first. So go ahead and check out my other video in the description, or it might pop up in that little eye thing that be popping up on videos if I remember to put it in the eye thing, but if not, it'll be in the description. So but yeah, I really hope this helps, guys. Honestly, comment down below and tell me if this helps. If it doesn't help, comment down below as well. Anything, I'll accept any type of criticism you have. Just be completely respectful about it. But yeah, I really hope this does help. I am finally done, and I finished all of my knotless braids. There you go. I ran out of hair to complete both sides in the same color, so that's why I got one side in T30 and then this side T27, and I had already started the bottom here. But anyway, so I'm going to continue on in the front doing some cornrows. I don't think I want to do knotless braids in the front anymore. I'm gonna try and do some cornrows. Hey y'all, so this is the finished product, complete. I did the front, I did the front in bantu knots, did like a little twist in the front into like a braided bantu knot, and some cornrows on the side, you know, cornrows on the side. And then at the back, I didn't want to dip it in hot water. No, I think I was just being lazy, and so I didn't dip it in hot water for that reason, and I just braided it 2 separate braids and then twisted it and then twisted the ends. So now I'm going to untwist it and show you guys if it actually curled up a bit. Look, nope, it don't look like it did much of anything, but I know that the braids will be a bit curlier, so I'm gonna just unbraid it. Being that it was in a ponytail and then it was braided, it's a bit bulky up here at the and the ends. This is how the ends are looking right now. But yeah, this is the braid, the finished product. This what you have. This what I got. This what I got. Oh, don't mind that picture in the side there. I tried to draw my sister-in-law and it didn't work out. Okay, I mean, I'm not an artist or anything. She might be mad for me posting this or whatever, but I'm not gonna post the original photo. But yeah, I tried to draw my sister-in-law. I tried to paint my sister-in-law. It didn't work out. I did, however, finesse my brother's painting. All right, I finessed this. All right. Let me just tell y'all real quick, I am not an artist, but call me Picasso because, baby, I mean, a 5-year-old could have did this, but, like I said before, like, I did pretty good for somebody who don't know how to paint and whatnot. I didn't even have brown paint. Ooh, I didn't even have brown paint. And ooh, got the lips right. Ooh, melanin. All right. Okay, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry for that brief, you know, commercial, whatever. Stay safe and be great. Okay.